If you're passionate about coffee and looking for the perfect coffee maker within a $150 budget, this video is for you. Today, we're going to show you the 6 best options available. Stay until the end to find out which one offers the best value for money and quality when making your perfect cup of coffee. At Top Buy For You, we've carefully selected the best models, top sellers, and highest rated options online. We're all about helping you get great quality without breaking the bank. Check out the links to all the models with the best prices down in the description. Some of these are even on sale, so grab them while you can and save some cash. And as always, if you find this video helpful, hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Let's jump right into it. We start with the Keurig K-Classic, a coffee maker that, despite being a traditional model, still pleases many consumers. With a 48-ounce removable reservoir, it allows you to brew coffee in 6, 8, and 10-ounce sizes. It is extremely easy to use, compatible with K-Cup pods, and ideal for those who want convenience. It features an automatic shut-off function after 2 hours of inactivity and a removable drip tray to accommodate travel mugs. However, it lacks advanced features like the multi-stream technology found in more modern models. Its design is sturdy, made of black plastic with a glossy finish, which might be a downside for those with limited kitchen space. Still, it's a solid option for anyone looking for efficiency without complications. Its dimensions are 13.0 inches in height, 9.8 inches in width, and 13.3 inches in depth, and it weighs approximately 11 pounds. Product link in the description and pinned comment. Next, we have the Keurig K-Mini, a compact and efficient model. At just 5 inches wide, it's perfect for small spaces. It brews cups ranging from 6 to 12 ounces and has built-in cord storage, making it easy to transport. Like the Keurig K-Classic, this model is compatible with K-Cup pods and has an automatic shut-off function after 90 seconds of inactivity. Its biggest advantage is its simplicity, but that also means some limitations. There's no large water reservoir, so each cup must be refilled individually. However, if you're looking for a portable and minimalist coffee maker, the K-Mini is a great choice. Available in 6 different colors, the K-Mini measures 12.1 inches in height, 4.5 inches in width, and 11.3 inches in depth, weighing approximately 5 pounds. Product link in the description and pinned comment. If you're enjoying this, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Moving up a level, we have the Cuisinart DCC-3200P1, a fully automatic coffee maker that offers more versatility. With a built-in water level indicator and a 14-cup capacity, this machine is perfect for those who need to brew large amounts of coffee. It features brew strength control, allowing you to choose between a milder or stronger coffee. Its advanced heating system keeps coffee hot for longer without sacrificing flavor. Plus, you can program it up to 24 hours in advance, so your coffee is ready when you wake up. It also includes a self-cleaning function and a charcoal water filter for a better taste. With a sleek brushed stainless steel design, a glass carafe, and an LCD control panel, it adds a modern touch to your kitchen. Its automatic features make coffee brewing much more convenient, a perfect choice for those who love high-quality drip coffee in large quantities. Its dimensions are 14.0 inches in height, 7.75 inches in width, and 9.0 inches in depth, weighing approximately 9 pounds. Product link in the description and pinned comment. Now, entering the top 3, we have the Ninja Hot Iced XL CM371, a coffee maker that offers a more complete experience. With the ability to brew from a single cup to a full 12-cup carafe, it features 4 brewing styles, including hot coffee and cold brew. The available brew sizes are cup, mug, travel mug, half carafe, and full carafe. Its biggest highlight is its quick cold brew extraction technology, ensuring a rich flavor without being watered down and brewing in just 10 to 15 minutes. Additionally, it has a keep warm function for up to 4 hours, a permanent filter, eliminating the need for paper filters and reducing additional costs. The 50-ounce removable reservoir makes refilling easy, and its modern design fits any space beautifully. With a sleek black plastic body and stainless steel accents, the Ninja Hot Iced XL measures 14.96 inches in height, 9.84 inches in width, and 10.01 inches in depth, weighing approximately 9 pounds. Product link in the description and pinned comment. Oh, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to get more content like this. In second place, we have the Ninja PB051 Pod and Ground Specialty, which combines the best of both worlds. Compatibility with K-Cup pods and ground coffee. It has a compact and innovative design, plus a built-in milk frother to create creamy drinks, making it perfect for lattes, cappuccinos, and even iced coffee. Its 56-ounce removable reservoir allows for multiple brews without frequent refills, and it includes an adjustable drip tray to accommodate different cup sizes. With options ranging from 6-ounce single cups to 24-ounce travel mugs, this coffee maker is ideal for those who love versatility and a variety of coffee styles, whether espresso, cappuccino, or classic drip coffee. Sleek and modern, with a matte black finish and chrome details, the Ninja PB051 measures 15.0 inches in height, 6.7 inches in width, and 10.7 inches in depth, weighing approximately 7 pounds. Product link in the description and pinned comment. And finally, the best coffee maker on this list, the Keurig K-Slim ICED. This model is the ultimate value-for-money option for those looking for the perfect cup of hot or iced coffee. With brew over ice technology, it automatically adjusts the temperature and brew strength, ensuring iced coffee isn't watered down. The 46-ounce removable reservoir allows for multiple brews without constant refilling. Compatible with K-Cup pods, you can brew coffee in 8, 10, or 12-ounce cup sizes and even adjust the height to fit different mugs and tumblers. Its ultra-slim design takes up minimal counter space and includes an auto shut-off after 5 minutes of inactivity for energy savings. The Keurig K-Slim ICED stands out for its versatility, intelligent design, and everyday convenience, making it the best choice within the $150 budget. Slim and compact, perfect for small spaces and available in various colors, the K-Slim measures 12.1 inches in height, 4.8 inches in width, and 15.2 inches in depth, weighing approximately 6 pounds. Product link in the description and pinned comment. Now that you know the best coffee makers under $150, let me know in the comments. Which one fits your lifestyle best? If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any updates. And if you have a higher budget, check out our video on the best coffee makers available on the market. See you next time.